Hey there, if you were ever part of Savings Highway Global with the funnel team, this message is especially for you. Let's talk real talk because I've been exactly where you are. Maybe you gave it your all, you followed the system, you believed in the community, but like the rest of us, you felt lost and even betrayed by the events that happened with Savings Highway Global at the end of 2023. We all had to suddenly and unexpectedly switch gears. I want you to know something, it wasn't you. You weren't the only one feeling that way. A lot of good people got lost along the way, not because they didn't want success, but because they were disheartened and even a little upset by the sudden need for a change. It's natural that many people were a little hesitant to stay the course with the funnel team, even though it was Savings Highway Global that let us all down. Our team members were used to stability and they expected dependability from the company we represented. And when that all changed, many were just hoping to find another company that met those expectations, sustainable and powerful, with a personal touch. But I can tell you that I found an incredible company with MyEcon. They have longevity, integrity, and vision for the future. It's not just another income opportunity. It's a complete system for real financial transformation, from boosting your paycheck to minimizing taxes, to building a real asset-based business. They've even expanded their business worldwide for 2025. If you loved the funnel team's simplicity and duplication and the team environment, great news. We've built a plug-and-play system within MyEcon that brings that same ease with even more support and better long-term income potential. This time, the training and automation are solid and the product is real value. MyEcon is a rock-solid company that's been around for 20 years and they genuinely care about their affiliates' success. And because I know what it's like to come from where you've been, I've created a path for people just like you and me. If you're ready to turn the page from the past and actually start winning, not just recruiting, but keeping your money and building real wealth, I invite you to take a look. Just visit myeconworldwide.com or click the link below. No pressure, just a simple decision. Keep waiting for another opportunity to almost work, or finally join one that actually does. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and hit the subscribe button so you can be notified whenever I post new content regarding making money online or anything else on my channel. Make sure you text me if you have any questions. I hope you have a great day and I can't wait to see you on the inside. In the meantime, take care and I'll see you on the next video.